Pluto is no longer classified as a planet due to a redefinition of what constitutes a planet by the International Astronomical Union, IAU, in 2006. Here's a detailed explanation of why Pluto was reclassified. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh and was considered the ninth planet in our solar system for many years. However, over time, astronomers discovered more about Pluto and other similar objects in the outer solar system. In the 1990s and early 2000s, astronomers discovered several objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets. Some of these objects, like Eris, were found to be similar in size to Pluto, raising questions about Pluto's status as a planet. The growing number of similar-sized objects necessitated a clearer definition of what constitutes a planet. Without a precise definition, the number of planets in our solar system could potentially expand to include many of these newly discovered objects. In 2006, the IAU introduced a formal definition of a planet. According to this definition, for an object to be classified as a planet, it must meet three criteria. First, it must orbit the Sun. Second, it must be spherical in shape, meaning it has enough mass for its gravity to shape it into a round form. Third, it must have cleared the neighborhood around its orbit, meaning it is gravitationally dominant and has removed most other objects in its orbital path. While Pluto meets the first two criteria, it orbits the Sun and is spherical, it does not meet the third criterion. Pluto shares its orbital zone with other objects in the Kuiper Belt and is not gravitationally dominant in its region. As a result of not meeting all three criteria, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is defined as an object that orbits the Sun and is spherical in shape but has not cleared its orbital neighborhood. The reclassification of Pluto was based on scientific consensus and aimed to provide a clearer and more practical way to categorize objects in our solar system. While the decision was controversial and met with some public resistance, it reflects the evolving understanding of our solar system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get further interesting and useful content.